Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the SoundLink Mini Roman 2 and making sure it has enough charge. Low battery interrupt settings changes. Once on, watch the LED and listen for the power chime so you confirm state. You should also have your phone or computer nearby. The Bose Connect app makes some steps quicker, but you can use Bluetooth controls too. Now, press and hold the power button briefly to confirm the unit is awake, and prepare to enter device settings. This saves time when changing language. Now you access the language controls. If you use Bose Connect, open the app, select the SoundLink Mini Roman 2, and tap Device Settings. The language option appears in that menu. If you don't use the app, you rely on the speaker's voice prompts. Hold the Bluetooth and power buttons together briefly to cycle into advanced settings, then follow the spoken menu until you hear the language option. You will hear the current language announced. This confirms you've reached the right setting. Finally, select the desired language and apply it. You scroll through options using repeated short presses of the Bluetooth or power control, depending on whether you're an app or using voice menus, and then confirm with a single decisive press. Wait for the voice confirmation in the new language, and then restart the speaker to ensure settings stick. If the language doesn't change, perform a factory reset or reinstall the Bose Connect app. This usually clears menu glitches. If problems persist, contact Bose support for firmware assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.